Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So we were discussing about the differences regarding the Excel and the Tableau. Okay, so this one. Great. So we'll be moving forward with the same only. But before that, let me quickly give you an idea regarding whatever we studied up till now. Okay, so we studied regarding the Excel and Tableau that both Excel and Tableau are the data analysis tools, but each tool has its unique approach to data exploration. Okay, however, the analysis in Tableau is more potential than the Excel. Now, Excel works with the rows and the columns in the spreadsheets, whereas Tableau enables in exploring the Excel data using its drag and drop feature. Tableau formats the data in graphs, pictures, which are easily understandable. Okay, now if we are going to differentiate between the Excel and Tableau onto the basis of different parameters. So I'm going to start off with the purpose. Purpose for Excel. So the purpose is about the spreadsheet application used for the manipulating the data. And for the Tableau, the purpose is perfect visualization tool which is used for the analysis. Okay. The usage of the Excel is suitable for statistical analysis of the structured data, and for the usage of Tableau, it is quick and easy representation of the big data. The performance of the Excel is moderate speed with no options to quicken, but the performance of Tableau is moderate speed with options to optimize and enhance the progress. For the security of Excel, it is the inbuilt security feature is weak as compared to the Tableau, and for the Tableau you're having extensive options to secure data without scripting. If I talk about the user interface of Excel, so to utilize the Excel to full potential, macro and visual basic scripting knowledge is required. And for the user interface of Tableau, the tool can be used without any coding knowledge. About the business needs of the Excel, it is best for preparing on and off reports with the small data. And if I talk about, for the Excel, it is best for preparing on and off reports with the small data. And further, if I talk about the Tableau, so business need for Tableau is that it is best while working with the big data. Okay, great. Now let me move forward with the next parameters for the discussion. Okay, so let me take the color here. Great. Okay, after that we are having up the products. Okay, it's not the black, I didn't need that out, I want this color. Okay, so here let's talk about the product. So the product for Excel, okay, it is bundled up with MS Office. It is bundled up with the MS Office. Okay, it is bundled up with the MS Office tools for the product. Okay, and now here further, if we talk about the Tableau, so onto the Tableau it comes with different versions such as the Tableau server, cloud, etc. in comes like the desktop and many more. Okay, so these are the different types of the product which you are having up onto the Tableau and even onto the Excel. So Excel is bundled out with the MS Office tools, and Tableau comes up with the different versions like the Tableau server, cloud and the desktop. Okay, for the next parameter is the, you could say about the integration. Okay, next parameter of ours for the discussion is the integration. So let's talk about the integration first of all in the Excel. So in the Excel it is that Excel integrates with around 60 applications. Excel integrates with around 60 applications. Okay, so integration in this, Excel integrates with around 60 applications. And if we talk about the Tableau, so Tableau integrated with Tableau integrated with over 250 applications. Okay. So if the integration we talk about the Tableau and the Excel, so in the Excel the integrates with around 60 applications, and Tableau integrated with over 250 applications. Okay, so that's the idea regarding the integration. Okay. Now, if we talk about the real time data exploration or real time data exploration. Now that's one again an important aspect which we have to look regarding the difference of the Excel and the Tableau. So now for the Excel we have about the real time data exploration. Okay, if we are talk about that. So now okay, I would just get down and get up some space for me for writing. Great. Now if we talk about Excel, so in that when you are working in Excel, okay, when you are working up in Excel, so you need have an idea, of of where your data takes you to get to know the insights. So if we talk about the real-time data exploration, so if we talk about the Excel, so whenever you are working up in Excel, so you need to have up an idea of where your data takes you to get to know the insights. Okay, if we talk about the Tableau into the same respect, so I could write up here that in Tableau, okay, in Tableau you are free to explore data. In Tableau you are free to explore the data without knowing the answer. Okay, without knowing the answer. Okay, so in Tableau you are free to explore the data without knowing the answer that you want, okay. So in Tableau you are free to explore data without knowing the answer that you want. Okay, so into Tableau actually what you have some inbuilt features like the data blending, the drill down. So those respective, with the help of that you will be able to determine the variations and your data patterns. Okay, so that's the quite a difference regarding the real-time data exploration regarding the Excel and Tableau. So in Excel, simply when you are actually working in Excel, so you need to have up an idea of where your data takes you to get to know the insights. Okay, and if you talk, okay, yeah, in the Excel, right, and into Tableau if you talk about, so in Tableau you are free to explore data without knowing the answer that you want. So within the built-in features which you have up in Tableau like data blending and drill down, so these, with the help of those, you will be able to determine the variations and the data patterns. Okay, pretty fine. Let's get down with the last difference regarding with the last point. Okay, so that is easy visualization. Now let's talk about the easy visualization in the Excel and even in the Tableau. Now into the Excel, when working in Excel, so you have to first manipulate the data that is present. Okay, and then further the visualization like the different charts, the graphs, all of those things are created manually. When working in Excel, I could simply write up that the graphs are created manually. Okay, graphs are created manually onto the Excel. So into that you have to make up the visualizations easily understandable, so that And for making up the easy understandable of the visualizations, you should have the understanding of the features of the Excel as well. Okay. Further, now if we talk about that, like here, so I could just write about the Tableau. So whereas in Tableau, the data is visualized, L-I-Z-E, the data is visualized from the beginning. The data is visualized from the beginning. So for the easy visualizations, if we talk about easy visualizations in the Excel and Tableau, so whenever you are working with the Excel, so in that the graphs are created manually. Okay, and whenever you are working with the Tableau, so the data is visualized from the beginning. Fine. So into the visualization of Tableau, you simply have a drag and drop facility, like whatever the columns you want to put up onto the X and onto your Y axis, those columns you could accordingly drop, and whatever are respective graphs which can be made with the help of those columns, those options are displayed to you. And from those respective options, you could simply choose up a plot which is actually relatable to you, and further you could make that out onto your own. Okay, that's what comes on the easy visualization of the Tableau. And okay, yeah, great. So these were a few parameters onto which we did have taken up the exam, which we did have taken up difference regarding the Excel and Tableau. The purpose, the usage, the performance, security, user interface, business need, product integration, real-time data exploration, and easy visualization. Now these are the very important factors for which the differences were have to be taken based upon the Excel and Tableau, so that now you are having a very clear idea that when Tableau is doing up making the graphs, and when Excel is as well allowing you to make up the graphs, and why prefer Tableau or why prefer Excel, and in what case which respective tool to prefer out, right? Because we have numerous of tools, and in from that numerous of tools, which one to choose, which one best actually fits your data, that actually has to be taken care of, right? So hope you have got up a very clear idea regarding all of those things. So here we finished up the differences regarding the Excel and regarding Tableau. Okay, further we are going to study some more things in the further videos. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you.